Gargling with salt water for cough relief offers several health benefits. Soothe irritation. Gargling with salt water helps soothe the throat, reducing irritation caused by coughing. Reduce inflammation. Salt water solution can reduce inflammation in the throat, providing relief from cough-related discomfort. Loosens mucus. Gargling helps loosen and remove mucus, making it easier to expel and relieving cough symptoms. Cleanses the throat. Salt water acts as a natural cleanser, helping to clear away irritants and bacteria in the throat. Promotes healing. The antiseptic properties of salt contribute to a cleaner environment in the throat, supporting the healing process. Alleviates stringiness. Gargling with salt water helps keep the throat hydrated, preventing dryness that can exacerbate coughing. Prevents infections. The antibacterial properties of salt may help prevent bacterial infections in the throat, reducing the risk of secondary infections. Cost-effective and accessible. It's a simple, cost-effective remedy that you can easily prepare at home, providing relief without the need for special medications. Remember, while saltwater gargling can be a helpful home remedy, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for persistent or severe cough symptoms. Subscribe and follow for more.